Hello everyone, welcome to Malvi Tapes. So today I am going to be talking about this digital painting that I just made of Mishkat from Jamil Anwar. What I will be discussing is the significance and importance of Mishkat, and along with that the elements of pigeon, and how this painting links to Islamic art and architecture. Not only that, I will also be discussing how did I customize this painting for my client. So this Mishkat is one of the beautiful and iconic pieces of Islamic art, and it is now one of the most recognizable symbol of faith for Dawoodi Bohra community. This Mishkat is a symbol of their faith and their commitment to education. So let's talk a little about Al Jamia Al Anwar. It is one of the most beautiful examples of Fatimid art and architecture, where Mishkat pattern and motif is being used. Not only that, it is a reminder of a rich history and a culture of this community that is a source of inspiration for Muslims all over the world. So in this video, I'll be taking you through the process of my painting from initial sketch to the final render. So let's get started. So the first thing that I did was I learned about Mishkat, its importance, before I started the painting, so that when I'm painting I don't lose its beautiful texture and its symbol, and I can justify in bringing it out in my painting. So what I learned is that the Mishkat is a traditional Islamic lamp used in many masjids, mosques and other religious buildings. It is made of brass and copper with beautiful intricate design. Not only that, it is used as motifs in many decorative pieces. The Mishkat, it is said to represent the light of knowledge and light of Islam. The Mishkat lamp, specifically in Al Jamia Al Anwar, is a beautiful example of Fatimid art. And Fatimid art derives from Fatimid dynasty, which ruled over Egypt and North Africa from 10th to 12th centuries. Fatimid art is categorized by its use of intricate geometric designs, arabesque and calligraphy. The Mishkat lamp is decorated with those Fatimid motif and elements such as crescent and star. The lamp design is also made on the concept of mihrab, that is a niche wall in the mosque that indicates the direction of Makkah. Mihrab is a very common feature in Fatimid art. It is often decorated with elaborate geometric patterns. Once I had a good understanding of lamp, I started sketching it out. I made sure that I captured the intricate design of the lamp and justify to its beauty, and making sure that my painting is eye-pleasing. So now let me talk to you about the pigeons. The pigeons in the painting represents purity, hope and peace. They are often seen as a symbol of Islam, and you can find these pigeons in many religious places and masjid. So I use them especially is because when I was talking to my client, they discussed with me the idea of this painting was that my client specially wanted to own an original Mishkat, and one day I hope she does. But I love the idea how they decorated their entire home based on their faith. They wanted their home to be a reflection of them. I think it's a wonderful idea to incorporate your faith into your home by choosing the right furniture and painting to hang on the walls. It is a great way to impact the next generation. It is a brilliant idea to make your children understand the importance of your faith and culture through incorporating it in your home. Because of course, our home is a reflection of who we are. And this can be a powerful tool to teach our children about our values. That is why I try to give a personalized touch to this painting by adding the pigeons, because they are their pets. I started this painting by using variety of digital brushes in order to give texture, and then slowly and steadily with layers I merged them in. Not only that, I was struggling a bit with the background. When I initially started sketching, I did a one Mishkat up and one Mishkat down to give a good visual imbalance. But then when I wanted to do a background, I tried several backgrounds but nothing looked good. So then I took the help of Google and I took my image and kept it in the search bar, and suddenly there were lots of images where there are two mishkas hanging came into view. And one I saw was very similar to what I have made. Not exactly, that picture was more in perspective, but I really liked the background. Not only that, my image was a bit flat and that was in perspective, but I loved how the background was. What I did was took that reference picture of Al Jamia Al Anwar and gave my painting a wash in the background. The colors in the painting that I have used are warm and inviting. It basically represents peace and tranquility. This painting process took me a bit of time, almost a week, but I finally completed it and I was happy the way my painting turned out to be. My paintings are a great way to bring your dreams to life and to create a beautiful and meaningful piece of art for your home. I'm honored to be able to help people bring their dreams to life. If you have a wish that you would like to see come true, then do not hesitate to contact me. I would love to discuss that project with you and make something specially just for your home. Thank you so much for watching Manvi Tales.